LinearBench Explore, or LBE, was designed by Gistic Research to meet the increasing need for visualizing LRS assets in roadway or pipeline networks. LBE offers a compact, synchronized, multidimensional look into their linear reference network data and is complemented by an easily configurable management interface to upload data and manage symbolization. The UI is comprised of a control panel, the diagram area, data grid, the map, and other auxiliary panels such as visual aids and photo log. The default diagram is a straight line diagram in the center. As the user begins to interact with their data on the LBE platform, they start with a simple filter for the route they are interested in. The filtered set of candidates is then selected from the Route ID dropdown. The user further refines the results by selecting a mile range along the route. Next, the user chooses the layers they are interested in viewing for their selected route. Layers can be added one at a time in the Layer menu, or added in bulk through the Select Layers icon. The user may choose multiple symbology schemas as configured in the management portal. Navigation is made easy with simple zoom and select actions, which will be reflected not only in the diagram, but also synchronized in the map, search, and tabular windows. Labels for each layer will update as the user pans across the diagram. In addition, users may opt to temporarily call out labels, or affix a persistent label to features in their diagram. For a quick chart summary, the user may select the Visual Aids icon to display a floating bar chart or pie chart on the selected layer. This also will update with navigation along the diagram. The sample watermark shows up in the diagrams and table areas to indicate only data samples on the selected route segment are pulled. This is to reduce visual clutter and improve performance. LinearBench Explore goes beyond the traditional straight line diagram visualization with inclusion of 3 additional diagram types to interrogate your data. These are the SpaceTime Diagram, a Layer Attribute Diagram, and a Row Align Diagram. The SpaceTime diagram offers the users an additional temporal dimension to visualize their data and analyze locational trends across time. The Layer Attribute Diagram gives the user tools to really drill down into a column-level summary of their data across a route. The Row Align diagram pivots the tabular view to align with the diagram for an easy look at the details for the individual records of a feature layer. Sometimes being on the ground is the best way to visually inspect road characteristics. By selecting the camera button, the user will evoke a streaming photo journey along the route. This window may be popped out to another window, and while popped out, can display additional camera angles and a mileage indicator. Thank you for your interest in LinearBench Explore, an affordable, easy-to-implement tool for transportation and utility professionals to understand the complexity of what's happening on the ground of the LRS data they manage.